Vinny, I think he likes boys.
Shut up. The giant likes boys.
Oh, well.
Oh, you hate me. You're gay. You're gay. You like boys. Oh, you gay.
That was a really intellectual sentence.
Okay, he still hate you though. Right. So who's the...
Benny, you're so ludicrous.
Benny, is it impossible for you to not walk into random fire escapes?
There was a... No, here's the thing, right? It was a one fire exit on its own, so I thought because it was just a... It would be not...
Ah! Anthony,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
Where are you going?
Okay, next moon. Anthony, you pick the moon.
You're my angel. Wait, so did we all die?
Yeah, stay there,
Yeah,
Benny, stay
you lost
there.
everything.
Stay there, Benny. Stay there. Oh,
What was that? Vinny, what were you doing?
I pooed myself.
who did that? What the fuck?
That was really funny.
Hey guys. Cover your mouths, please. Guys, can you cover your mouths, please, guys? Guys, we're not making music right now.
You sound like
Oh
Mr. Luke
god,
right now.
what did they
Guys,
put in
we're
those
having
Aldi
music.
chocolate puns?
Vinny! Stop!
Oh jeez.
Where have you sent us? I was gonna say,